is your First Alert 5 weather with Sam Schreier.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is a beautiful day across southern Colorado, a bluebird ski day. If only you could ski out there, although I guess there is a little skiing on Pikes Peak if you're brave enough. A little white up top, but some white still into the grass and foothills. But man, it is definitely a nice one out there. Again, blue skies warming the pavement, warming the ground. 50 degrees in Pueblo and a great day to get out and enjoy the river walk. Now, what's cool is just how little cloud cover is outside. This is a looped satellite and radar map, so there's no clouds. If there were some clouds, you would see movement statewide. The only thing that's going on, all that white, that's just leftover snow, still melting down over the Palmer Divide slowly. San Luis Valley is filled with snow in the mountains, absorbing the rest of that moisture. Now, as good as we're feeling, the east, the upper Midwest is still locked into some deep cold. The wind chills still in the double negatives. However, negative 27, negative 28, Green Bay to Minneapolis, well, that's a lot better than negative 50 or 60 like we were seeing the last couple days. So the hour by hour today, we just kind of focus on the warm up. Temperatures, model kind of nailed it right there. 48 in the Springs. It's a little shy on Pueblo, but it shows how gorgeous we get later today. Going 53 in the Springs, 55 into the Steel City, a little cooler out to the plains, but they're going to match close to that temperature of Pueblo. And then we get things over towards 5 and 6 o'clock. You may notice a stray little cloud or two outside, but most of us will just kind of enjoy a nice evening that does start to get cold. In fact, by 10 o'clock, back into the 20s widespread. So let's go ahead and talk about the 7-day forecast. Colorado Springs, what we're going to watch over the extended is a dry stretch of numbers. 60 degrees is where we spike on Saturday. Then we get over towards Wednesday. We start to bring back in some of the cold, and snow chances are there. It's not the best chance I've seen in a while, but at least it is something. Now as we go towards Pueblo, your numbers also rise right up into the next few days. 64 on Saturday with a couple more cold mornings. Tomorrow morning 17, 20 on Friday night, Saturday morning. And then we also bring some cooler air in by next Wednesday with a chance of flurries next Wednesday. But for Colorado Springs, that was a little bit better area because it's actually up by the Palmer Divide. I think we could get a little snow. Canyon City looks pretty good, especially towards Saturday. A lot of wind on Sunday, probably more wind towards Tuesday with some snow possible on Wednesday, but Woodland Park is kind of the next best chance for a little snow, especially watching Wednesday. Right now it's a low impact on our storm impact scale. We're thinking Saturday, is the best day of the week.